welcome back to my channel, Unbox Me Toys. So today I have 1, 2, 3 Littlest Pet Shop surprise boxes or blind boxes. So this is my first time to open Littlest Pet Shop, and let's see what it's all about. I got one of each. I've got the blind box, it's like really a box, one with a blue handle, and one with a pink handle. I don't know if it's pink or cream. And then this one, it comes in a can. So let's see how different they are. If you look at the price, I think it's this one is a bit more expensive. It's like $2.99, around $6. Now this is cheaper at $1.49 or around $3. So let's get to opening them. You know what, today? So first, I really tried to put on some nail polish, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna try again next time. So first, we're going to do the pink tag. So first step is you just open here. There you go. Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, this is a bit difficult. Is there another tag there? There's none. So I guess we'll just pull this up. Oh, they put a tape. Let's remove the tape. Other side. Ta-da! Ooh, what's inside? We've got this one, and this one. So I've got 3 pieces. So let's look at this first. What does it say? Littlest Pet Shop, collect all 24. Oh, so you get a pet and like a container or their house. And at the back, you also have some of those. I really want to get this one, the heart one, or the star. Oh, they all look good. So let's see what we got. So pink one first. Oh, it's kind of hard to open, but whoa, what's this? It looks like a perfume bottle. Oh, and then finally, oh, how cute is that? So you put it here. Is it like a baby ducky? It looks like a baby ducky. And then there. Ah, it's so cute. Now let's see what's inside this one. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! So is it like a locket? Yeah, it's like a locket. And then, yeah, that's it. It's like a little locket. Nothing left there. Okay, so let's put that aside. Let the little ducky breathe. And we move on to box number 2. So this one has a blue tag. I hope it means something different. Or I do hope like we get a different toy. But that's part of really all these blind boxes and surprise toys. It's like you really know what you're gonna get. Like you're hoping for something and then you get something entirely different, but that's cool. Because that means you get a surprise. Pink again. And purple. Okay, so it's the same thing. This is a Series 2 Littlest Pet Shop blind box. So let's put it aside. Let's go for the pink one first. I'm gonna feel it. It feels different, you guys. I really hope it's a different one. I really hope it's a different one. Ooh, blue. Whoa! It's like a teapot. It's like Mrs. Potts and Beauty and the Beast. Woo! Oops! It fell. Sorry, got shaky there. Woo! It's so cute. It looks like a little fishy. So you put the little fishy here, and you put the teacup on. Ta-da! It's so cute. Can you take this off? No, you can't. Then let's see what the special locket is. Oh, look at that. It's a teacup. It's a teacup to go with your teapot. This is really nice. This is really nice. So let's put that here. Let the little fishy breathe. There you go. Now it's time for this surprise. Ooh, this is different. Nice. What does it say? It says 10 to collect. 10 different pets. Ooh. So let's see. I don't know how to open this, but I'm thinking you just pull it up like that. Whoa. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Look, there's 10 of them. Littlest Pet Shop. What does that mean? Is this the one that we're gonna get? Let's find out. So you got a purple one. Another purple package, 2. Nothing left. I think it's going to be bigger. That's why it's a bit more expensive. So, wait, how do we open this? Oops. Just stare it like that. Whoa, 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 it looks cute, guys. Whoa, it's so cute. Come on. It looks like this toy. That's my Stitchy toy. Look how cute. It's an elephant. It's a baby elephant. Oh, and this is her dress. Or his dress. It's so cute. And then let's open this one. Ooh, what's this? You've got a peanut and a peanut headband. Let's try to put on the peanut headband. Oh, so pretty. And you've got peanuts. Come on, eat your peanuts. I'm thinking this is really worth it because it's way much bigger. So we have them all here. Her peanut, the little ducky, this goes here, and this goes there. Oh, look at them, so cute, you guys. If you really like the Littlest Pet Shop, comment down below and like this video, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got loads of toys for the month of January. I'll be opening Grocery Gang, so it's like slimy or disgusting monsters. And then I also have another Treasure X box, and I forgot what I got. Oh, Shopkins. I got Shopkins. So please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video.